Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where you're noticing that your Android phone is missing out on certain features that maybe newer Android phones have. So if we go and take a look at either a Pixel or Samsung Galaxy, whatever you have, essentially why this may be happening is because you haven't updated your Android device. This is 99.99% of the time why you're missing out on certain features on your Android phone. So what I'd recommend doing here is making your way over to your settings application right here. And what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find your software update panel. Now on stock Android, it's usually under system, and then it's under system update right here. On Samsung, it's kind of the same thing too. So what you want to do is you want to find the specific update panel of your Android phone, and all you want to do here is you want to update your device. Now this is a two-part story. If you see an update, you want to install it and download it, and you should be able to get those features that basically everyone is doing, or the new emojis, or whatever the case is. Updating your phone will pretty much do it. However, let's say you do not see an update available there, whether it's on your Pixel or your Samsung, whatever it is. Well, then that may mean that your specific phone that you have is not compatible with those specific updates that came out. As long as the update came out in a an official version, you should be able to see it right there. If you do not see that update, but you see other phones that like a Pixel 6, for example, you see other phones utilizing those features. Well, to be honest, if it's a Pixel 6 or any other device like that, you may want to make sure those people who are seeing those features do not or have not installed a beta. A majority of the time why that ends up happening is because they have a beta installed on their phone. So what you'll have to do here is you'll have to go into the Google Pixel, little area and type in like Android 13 or whatever. So you'll have to type in like the Android beta program. So you have to sign in here, and then you'll be able to get that beta installed on your device. Now that'll pretty much fix it for a lot of you. Let's say you do that and you still don't have the features that people were wanting. Well, in that case, what you'll have to do is pretty much either factory reset your device, back it up first, but then factory reset it and go on from there. And maybe those features will come up. Or maybe you have to go through your settings and enable those features one way or another. So I'd recommend searching up those specific features and then, going through and, updating your phone or enabling those features at that point. So that is pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.